Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our teeny bit of time together. If you can hear that, that is the rain. I'm loving it. I'm soaking it in. It is cleansing. I might go step outside. Ruin my makeup. I don't give a shit. Okay. We are playing with the Nomad Rainforest palette. I do not want to butcher it. It will be in the title. I don't feel like being a piece of shit and butchering things that mean things to people. But this is the color story. I ended up creating this super gorgeous look right here. So if you would like to see how I got this look, listen to a little bit of my rambling because I have ADHD and it's all over the place. Then let's get into it. Today's drinky drink is a Dr. Pepper cream soda. I'm trying to find the coconut one, but my coworker said that they aren't out yet, so this is really good. Also, I have my windows open, so if you can hear the rain, that's what it is, and I'm loving it. Hello, look it, we're back, we're doing it, we're trying to be steady, we're trying to be, you know, on it. Like I said, it's raining, so I thought we'll play with the Nomad Bosque, also the Monteverde, essentially their rainforest palette, because I do not want to butcher the name, even though I know that it did. But yeah, it looks like this. I kind of wanted to play with some greens, maybe play it with that purple right there. I don't know, maybe that, we'll see. As always, I'm going to prime my eyes with the REM Beauty Concealer in Fair 2N and then set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. And if you see anything that kind of tickles your fancy in this video, everything that I use will be linked down below. Nothing is an affiliate link. I don't think I'll ever be that special, and that's totally okay. But yeah, let's get into this. Also, I can't remember who said it in my last video or like commented on it, but that whole thing right there, I will be giving you a tour of it, like a book tour essentially, once my room is painted, because I then want to put up my decorations, which I think is gonna look freaking amazing. So it might take a little bit because I don't know when we're gonna do that, but we'll see. I also wanted to mention I have one palette on the way, which I'm really excited for, so keep your eyes peeled for that. It is a Bella BTA bar one, so I'm so excited. But yes, let's dig into what we're playing with today. Like I said, I wanted to do greens. I think that's what I did with this palette last time, to be quite honest with you, but like these two are like really sparking a lot of things for me along with that one, which I'm pretty sure, going by the palette and what I can see, is probably what I used. But maybe dipping into that, pretty much probably doing whatever I did last time with this palette, but I'm also sort of feeling like this. So we'll see what direction I end up going. I do have you all close and personal right now. Hi, hello, how are we doing? Ugh. This rain is giving me life, and I'm so happy that I can have my windows open for it. I think I want to start with this green vine snake shade right here. I'm going to take that on my Refer 14. I am hoping that I have my mirror in a good spot, so then, you know, you can see. As last time I didn't really, you know, you couldn't really see a lot. I've been realizing that from my past couple videos. Anyway, back to the point. We're putting that green vine snake in the crease right here. I have so many things that I want to film now. Like now that like I kind of feel back to myself, I'm really excited for all the things to come. I just hope I have the time. But like I said in my last video, we're gonna have a books and looks. There's a possible Mishmash Monday return at some point. How do we feel about being this up close and personal with me? I don't know how comfortable I am. Not saying that I don't like you, but I don't know. be a little bit too in your face. But I'm gonna go in, I think, with a little bit of this Resplendent Quetzal. Anyways, this little blue shade right here, again on that Refer 14. Pretty sure I used this shade last time, and just plopping it right here. I just want to, in a sense, deepen this out, even though it is with this blue, but kind of just doing whatever. We're just blending the whole time. I would just like to give a huge shout out to Erica Conger and Smiley Shani here on the YouTubes. You two have been such a staple in my life these past couple months. And I just want to say how much I love and adore you two, and how much y'all's checking in on me and talking with me has just absolutely meant the freaking world to me. Yeah, I appreciate the living shit out of you two so freaking much. You know what? I know what we're gonna do. We're gonna go in with that Glass Wings shade now. It is a dark foresty green. I don't think I used this one last time, so okay, we're gonna be plopping that right over that blue shade. I'm just kind of mixing those two together. See, I like how that turned out. Did I say that I'm still using that Refer 14? I don't know. But I'm just blending those two together and sort of bringing it forward a little bit. I like how that turned out, my goodness gracious. That is stunning. Okay. Like I said, I kind of want to go on with that purple. Oh, hi, Dagger. How you doing? Okay, I want to go in with these two shades. Like I said, I know I used them last time, but they're really tickling some things in me. But I'm also feeling like that and that. Like, all these shimmers are really just doing things for me. And I didn't use shimmer in my last look, so I mean, why not use it today? So I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Magical Mist shade right there. Taking that on my Refer 21, tapping up the excess and just plopping it right into this area right here. I guess I could probably spray it and it would probably give me just a tad bit more, but I don't want this to be the more prominent, more, you know, shade. I was looking for Pizzazzy. I don't know what came out, but you know. But I'm just sort of blending that in a little bit. Tapping, all that good stuff. I really like how that looks. Okay, now I gotta make the decision. Because I really want to use these two. But I'm also like, what if we put the purple like as a nice bright pop of color in the inner corner? But I really want to bring it up here too. So I don't know. But we will still go in with it. So that is the shade right here called River Trail. Again, still taking it on the Refer 21. Whooshing it around. And then plopping it in here. Oh, that's stunning. That's so freaking pretty. And I didn't spray the brush either. And then I might take it a little bit on the tip of the brush and just drag it this way a little. I always do this. This is kind of what I've always done, is just drag and extend it like that. So that is what this looks like right now. I kind of feel like it needs something like in this area, despite having that Magical Mist shade in there, but I don't know what it would be. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling putting maybe a little bit of this blue Morpho shade right here in there, just a tiny bit. So again, taking it on the Refer 24 and just cleaning that brush off a little and then blending it all together. Yep, it needed a little sun, and that's a little sun it needed. Just a little bit of depth. So there is that for right now. I might need to fix this eye just to make it, you know, even. But I really like how it looks. I think I'm going to go plop on some lashes and my face. We'll come back for blush, highlight, and lip. And under eye. I don't know if I said that. So, I'll be right back. These brows! These brows! Where the hell did these mother effers come from? This is, my God. This is like the best brow day I've ever had in my entire freaking life. Look at them. My God. Okay, I'm thinking these two. This is what's calling my name, okay? This is Squeeze and Sticky Sweet from the Blend Bunny Juicy Cheeks palettes. If you've been here, you know. I feel like I don't even gotta tell, but like I feel like I kind of got to. But I'm actually, like, this is what I'm feeling, okay? It's a weird combo, I don't care. So we're gonna take Squeeze. We're gonna plop her right here. Just up in this area. I gotta clean my brushes, do not judge. Okay? Ah, you just can't beat an orange blush. My God. And yes, I do look a tad bit clowny. I don't care. Whatever's left of that orange, I'm taking it on the brush and kind of just dragging it up, giving my face some color before I add the purple. So now we're gonna go in with Sticky Sweet. I'm really rushing because I do have to get ready for work soon, but I wanted to film for y'all, so. But like I said, I'm taking that lilac-y purple shade and just bringing it up in here. I'm blending it in with that Squeeze shade. And then I'll just take a tiny bit and plop it right in here. Nice. And then I do go over it with my foundation brush and just tap it in. As much as I would love to look like a clown, we do need to just, you know, trim it down a little. I haven't decided if I'm going to wear this to work. I don't think that they mind. It is what it is. But I probably won't, just because I do have to get my glasses fixed afterwards. So it is what it is. We're going to go in with the Blend Bunny Not to Loosen palette. This is my favorite palette of all time. It's my holy grail. I just freaking love it. I'm thinking we go on with the green and maybe the purple. So Transient and Far Out. Just to kind of like, I don't know. This kind of blue up in there. So maybe we'll go with the blue. I don't know. I think we might just stick with the green. So Transient. Yep. We're going to just stick with the green. That's stunning. I'm going to go in with my Refer 14, taking a little bit of that Transient, popping it there, and then a little up in there to just pull it together. You coming up? Hey, come here. Oh, yep, if you see the table shake, that is Bob's butthole. That's Bob shaking everything. Okay, I'm thinking for the under eye, I don't know, it's getting really dark, so I'm just gonna have to like hurry up and quickly do this. I'm thinking we might just leave it like this. Again, I don't have a lot of time. It is what it is. But I'm thinking for like in here, what if we plop that yellow toucan shade right there in the inner corner? So I'm gonna go in with my Refer 23. Yep. This was the right choice. I'm just dragging it inwards a little. I don't really want anything on the under eye, so there is that. For lip, I did go in with this Unearthly lip gloss in Admire. This is from their Valentine's Day collection. I don't know. I felt like it kind of fit the vibe, so there's that. I don't know how well this is going to pick up the look because it is dark, it is raining. It is what it is. But this is the final completed look. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. I really like this lip color with this. I'm so glad that I put that yellow toucan shade in the inner corner. This is just absolutely stunning. I love it. It's so pretty. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. So if you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. A couple things before you go. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. There's so many better things to be doing with your time and money, your energy. If you don't like it and you don't understand it, then that's that. But then just freaking ignore it, okay? And do something better with yourself. Move the hell on. Okay. Remember to be taking in the most actual factual information. Don't pull into the propaganda, the bull, all that stuff. Okay? Don't fall into the bullshit, okay? And remember to be taking care of yourself. Remember to be getting enough water, enough food, enough nutrients to be taking care of yourself, not being such a people pleaser. Go have a self-care day. Go buy as much shit as you want. I'm giving you permission, okay? You can blame it on me, okay? Okay. But again, if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.